Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings on ServiceNow developer. So this is the very first job opening today we are going through. So they have immediate opening for ServiceNow developer role and location would be Chennai location. They are expecting 5 to 8 years of experience. So candidates should have minimum experience on ITSM like an additional module expertise like HRSD, ITOM, SPM, GRC. So these are the main responsibilities here. And skills and qualification must have full implementation experience with at least one ServiceNow product, like experience in ServiceNow ITSM and at least additional modules like scripting, UA policies and catalog items. So these are the few skills they are expecting from the candidate. If you have these skills, so you can go through this particular mail ID. You can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, or else you can follow to this particular person, Madan R. You can follow him and you can send your resumes to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening here. So this is the next job opening. So job title would be a ServiceNow developer and a 12 months duration they have given here, and location would be Santa Clara CA remote. These are the responsibilities they have given. So candidate should have minimum skills like qualifications like proficiency in Python and JavaScript, experience with SAP EMS and install base, and knowledge of SAP BRIM is a plus, like a strong foundation in data structures, algorithms, object oriented design, and strong analytical and design skills. So if you are interested for this job opening, like you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, or else you can follow this particular person here, Akil Chennu. So you can follow this particular person and you can send your resume to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening here. So this is the next job opening. Like role would be a senior ServiceNow ITSM developer they are looking for, and visa should be mandatory. They are giving like a GC, USC and EAD, and location would be a remote location, and job description like this is the service. This is the job description here. So technical skills they are expecting like from the candidate is like 10 years of experience as a ServiceNow developer with a focus on ITSM models, proficiency in JavaScript, GlideScript and ServiceNow development tools, strong experience with ServiceNow APIs including REST and SOAP API. So hands-on experience with ServiceNow integrations and MID server. So strong analytical and problem solving skills. These are the mandatory skills they are looking for, like candidate should have these skills. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this job opening, so you can send your resume to this particular mail ID Naresh, or else you can follow this particular person Naresh Kumar Mudraj. So you can follow him and you can send your resume to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening, like skills required is ServiceNow developer and ITSM integration and modules like ITOM, ITAM, HRSD and CSM, GRC, service portal, and job location would be pan India, and experience would be 5 to 12 years they are expecting from the candidate. Notice period they have given like 90 days notice period. So approximately it would be 3 months they have given as notice period. So if you are in notice period you can be applicable for this job. So if you are interested for this job opening, so you can directly go through this particular mail ID like Shobana. You can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, or else you can follow this particular person Shobana Manoharan. By following her, you can send your resume to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening, like they are looking for say senior ServiceNow ITSM developer. Like visa should be mandatory and location is remote location they are expecting. Experience would be 15 years of experience candidate should have, and this is the job description here. So technical skills they have required like 10 years of experience in ServiceNow developer with focus on ITSM modules, like proficiency in JavaScript, GlideScript and ServiceNow development tools. So this is the description here they have given for this mail. You can send your resumes to this mail, and this is the WhatsApp number. You can directly contact through that number if you are interested for this job opening. So coming to the next job opening is regarding manual testing. The position is QA tester and work location is UAE, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 5 to 8 years of experience, and it would be a contract mode and extendable, and notice period would be 15 to 30 days they are giving for. So these are the Required qualifications here. Conduct through manual testing across various testing types including functional, regression, integration and system testing. They're expecting these skills from the candidate. If you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, so please go through this mail ID. You can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, or else you can follow this particular person, Prince Michael, and you can send your resume to that particular person. Yeah. Coming to the next job opening is like they are looking for manual tester, and location would be per date report, and notice period they are given immediate or 15 days. Like if you are immediate joining, you can be applicable for this job. Salary they are offering like 40% of hike from the current CTC, and 0 to 2 years of experience as a manual tester, and this job can be applicable for the freshers also. If you are fresher, you can be applicable for this job as a manual testing. So 0 to 2 years of experience as a manual tester, strong understanding of software testing methodologies and best practices, and good analytical and problem solving skills they are expecting from the candidates. So if you are interested for this job opening, you can apply through this link they have provided here, or else you can follow Venus Route and you can send your resume to that particular person there. So thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.